Hello, I'm Andrew.
And I'm Leah.
We've got a cracker in store. We're going to show you a 4-bedroom property of 5 acres. So let's go and have a look. So, welcome inside Hillview. And as we come in, we can go straight into the main sitting room, which, as you'll see, is a lovely light and airy space. I just love the emphasis on the beautiful view and the monkey puzzle tree there in the foreground. Typical of a relaxation space, what we have as a standout feature is this fire surround with inset the benefit of a wood burning stove, giving you that lovely feel on those toasty cold evenings. So our clients have been right through the bungalow and improved it significantly, and no more so than the room we're in now, which is the really super kitchen breakfast space. You'll notice there's an array of cabinetry with cupboards, base cupboards, concealed underlighting, and in terms of integrated appliances, we've got plenty, from a double electric oven, a dishwasher, a hob and extractor.
We have a total of 4 bedrooms in this property. Here we are in the master bedroom. The master bedroom has an ensuite with the benefit of insignia, steam cabinet and shower.
And bedroom 2 has the benefit of wall-length wardrobes and also an ensuite as well. And in this one, we have a large double shower tray with the benefit of a Myra digital shower. So here we are outside, and what I love about the bungalow is there's a lot of ground at the front as well. You'll see here we've got extensive gardens that have been well planted, and the views are just superb. We're looking at the glistening tops of Bodmin Moor, which is positioned the other side of the beautiful River Inny wooded valley. The walks that you can enjoy from here, fantastic. Whether it's with a dog or on your own, just getting some escapism, this property with no immediate neighbours really has something special to offer.
For all you green-fingered folks, there's a lovely array of vegetable patch here at the property. It has beautiful rich soil, perfect for growing a range of vegetables. And as you can see here, we've also got just all your needs, a greenhouse, which is a lovely size for storing everything.
And of course, when you need time for a break, whether it be a hot drink or a cold one at the end of the day, nothing better than utilising this superb patio, strategically positioned to get sun or shade, whichever you prefer. Cheers!
Here we have a stable block which has 2 loose boxes with the benefit of power, water and light, so it can be used any time of the year.
So there's 4.9 acres of land immediately at the back of the property, and it's ideal if you've got animals because it's nicely separated into different paddocks. The location here, being on the cusp of Bodmin Moor, also provides access to the North Cornish coastline, and within 15 minutes you could be in the towns of Launceston, or indeed in 20 minutes in Bude, where you've got additional facilities. So there we are. If Hillview is a lifestyle that appeals to you,
contact us on 015 66 77 1919.